Prime number and the composite number. What is prime number? Prime number are a number that have only two factors. Numbers that have only two factors. We see this by example. The two factors are by itself and by one. For example, uh, 2 is not divided by other number. 3 is the same. 5, 7, 11, 13, uh, 17, 19, 23. These all are prime number. Because for example, if you see number 7 is divided only by itself and by 1. So it have only two factors. So a prime number is a prime number have only two factors, itself and the number 1. So this is all about prime number. We see all this by example. Composite number have more than two factors. For example, as you see, example 4. 4 is divided by 1, again by 2, by itself by 4. It have more than two factors. So composite number have more than two factors that are divide the number without remainder uh, by itself in the others. Another, for example, if you see 8, 8 is divided by uh, 1 without remainder, by 2, by 4, by itself, it have 4 factors, so it is a composite number. Here are so many examples you can see from the slide. Let us move. Uh, number one, which is number one have how many factors? Number one and only one. So it is not prime number and the composite number. So one is not both composite, not prime. So number one is not a prime and not a composite number. So you can check this note. Prime factorization. Way to write composite number as a product of a prime number. So every number can be rewrite by prime factorization. For example, if you take 48, 48 is not a prime number, but you can put as a prime number. It means let us divide it by 2. So 48 divided by 2, 24. 24 divided by again by 2, 12. Again it is also divided by again by 2 without remainder. 6. 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. So now we have to stop, because when we get dividend prime number, we stop dividing the number and take this or prime number, this and this. When we multiply this, all this, we get 48. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. How many 2? 4 2 times 3, which is 48. So we can write any number by prime factorization. So here we have 2, 2, 4, 2. So 2 to the power of 4 times 3, which means 48. So prime factorization is like this. Let us see another example. Here we do this before. Write down prime number in each group. From this group, you can from this which one is prime? 5. So 5 is a prime. From here, 9 is not a prime, because it is divided by 3, and it is divided by also by itself 9 by 1. So it have 3 factors. So a prime number is only have 2 factors, which is ones in the itself. 10 is also divided by 5, so it is not a prime. But 11 is prime because 11 is divided by 1 in the itself by 11. It is a prime number, so from number 2, 11 is a prime. 27 is not a prime because it is divided by 3, 9, and 1 by itself. So it have how many factors? 4 factors. It have 4 factors, so it is not a prime. 28 is also not a prime because 28 is divided by 1, 2, again by 4, by 7, and so on. 29 is it is a prime number because it is not divided by any other number without remainder. So it is divided only by itself and the 1, so it is a prime. From number 4, 37 is a prime. The fourth, 38 is not a prime because 38 is divided by 2, again by 1, by 19, by itself 38. And 39 is not a prime because it is divided by 1, 3, 13, and 39 by itself. So it have more than 2 factors, so it is a composite number, not a prime. Again, here also number 5, we have 43, 44, 45. These two are divided by, for example, 44 is divided by 4, 11, 1 by itself. So it have more than 2 factors. So it is not, it is a composite number. This is also a composite number. The 43 is not divided by other number without remainder. So 43 is a prime number. Under number 6, we have 51, 52, 52. Here we have no prime number because 52 is divided by 2, 26 again by itself. So it have more than 2 factors, and 51 is divided by what? 3, 17, and by itself 51. 3 times 17, how much? 51. So it is we are under number 6. We have no prime number here from a group of number. Number 7, let us see number 7. Number 7, 61, 62, 63. Here we have 61 is not, 61 is a prime number. 62 is not a prime because this is divided by other number, and the 63 also not a prime because 63 is divided by 7 and 9 again by itself by 1. So it have more than 2 factors, so it is not a prime number. The only from number 7, the only prime number is 61. Question number 8, we have 77, 78, 79. Here 77 is divided by 1, again divided by 7, divided by 11, divided by itself. So 77 is not a prime number, and 78 also not a prime number because 78 is divided by 1, divided by 2, divided by 39, divided by itself also. So it is not, it have more than 2 factors. So it is not a prime number. Again 79 is a prime number because 79 is divided by 1 and by 79. It have exactly 2 factors. So it is a prime number. So from here 79 is a prime number. Let us do another example. Write down the two numbers in each group which are not a prime number. From a given group of numbers, select two numbers that are not a prime number. It means a composite number. Let us start from number one. Number one is 1, 2, 3, 4. As we say before, one is not a prime, again not a composite, so it is not both. 2 is a prime number and the 3 is a prime number. We have only here 4 and the 1 are not a prime number. So from here 1 and 4 are not a prime number from a given group of given number. Let us do number 2 as we see 16, 17, 18, 19. Here 16 is not a prime, 17 is a prime number, 18 is not a prime, 19 is a prime number. So from a given number we have this and these are 16 and 18 are not a prime number. 17 and 19 are a prime number. Number 3, 21, 31, 41, 51. 21 is not a prime number because 21 is divided by 1, 3, 7 and 21. And 31 is a prime number because it is not divided by other number. 41 is not 41 is a prime number because it is divided only by 1 and by itself. 51 is divided by 1 again by 3 by 70 and by itself. So it have more than two factors. So from here 21 and 51 are not a prime numbers. The others, these two are a prime number. Let us do number 4, 27. 27 is not a prime because it is divided by 3 and 9. And the 37 is a prime because it is not divided by other number. 47, it is also a prime because it is not divided by other number. 57. 57 is not prime because 57 is divided by 3, which is by 90 also, by 57 itself and by 1. So it have more than two factors. It have no exactly two factors. So it is not a prime. From here, the only prime number is 37 and 47. We as 27 and 57 are not a prime number. Again, let us move to number 5. Here we have a given 63, 73, 83, 93. We, as we see, 63 is not a prime because it is divided by 3, 21, by 7, by 9. It have so many factors, so it is not a prime. And again, 93 also divided by 3, 31 by itself 93. So it has more than two factors. But 73 and 83 have exactly two factors, itself and 1. So for the answer for this question is 63 and 93. Let us do the last question. Here we have 61, 71, 81, 91. 61 is a prime number. Again, 71 is also a prime number. But 81 and 91 are not prime number, or it is they are composite because 81 is divided by 1, 3, by 9, by 27, and so on. and 91 also divided by 1 by 3, not by 3, by 13, by 13, by 7, by itself 91. So it have more than 2 factors, so they are not a prime. So for this question, the answer is 81 in the 81 in 91. Let us move to another example. As we say before, every number can be rewrite. We can write every number by prime in terms of prime number. For example, if you take 4, 4 is a composite number. So let us write uh, it as a prime number. Uh, 4 is divided by 2, so 2 times 2 is 4. So we can write like this by prime number. So this is known as prime factorization. It is when we make every number as prime factorization, we can simplify a number and we can get common factors or common multiple. Again, let us see a number letters prime factorize 6. 6 is divided by, let us divide 6 by 2. 6 divided by 2, 3. So we can write number 6 2 times 3. So this is a prime factorization of 6. Again, let us see for number 18. 18 is divided by 2, which is 9. Again, 9 is not divided by 2, but divided by 3. 3 also is a prime number. When we check by 2, it is not divided by 2 without remainder. The next prime is 3, so we can check it. 9 is divided by 3. Yes, it is 3. 9 divides 3, 3. So let us select all this and this. When we get prime number, we will stop dividing the number. So 18 means 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 3, 16, 6 times 3, 18. So we can write 18 like this with prime factorization. Which number is the odd one out of, because it is not a prime number? Okay, you can, the question says the odd numbers that are a prime number, not a prime number. So as we see, 15 is an odd number. It is not a prime. It is a composite because 15 is divided by what? By 3, by 5, by 1, by itself. So it have more than two factors. The others are have exactly two factors. 1 in the 11 for this, it have exactly two factors. So it is a prime number. This is also a prime number. This is also a prime number. So we have so many numbers that are not prime number. For example, if you take 9, 9 is odd number, but it is not a prime because 9 is divided by 3, by 1, by itself. So it have more than 3 factors. Again, we have so many numbers. For example, if you take 21, 21 also not a prime number. So we have so many odd numbers that are not a prime. So this is all about. Let us do other example, other question. Place a prime number in the circle to complete the factor tree below. 40 divided by 10, which is 4. 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So we have put here 2 and 2. 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So we can rewrite 14 as a prime factorization. Let us see all this. Let us multiply 2 times 5 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 40. 2 times 5, 10. 10 times 2, 20. 20 times 2, 14. So we can write every number with a prime factorization. Let us divide 18 divided by 6, which is 3. And 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 3, 18. So we can write 18 as a prime number. So 2 times 3 times 3. So we can write every number with prime factorization. Next time we see common factor, and that have a nice day.